Everyone, so today I have received this HP ProBook 640. Here you can see its model number. Okay, so I have received this laptop for its turning on for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it is suddenly switch off, means suddenly shutting down. So first thing which we have to check, we have to power on. Then we have to check whether its fan, it is over here, it's spinning or not. If not, then we have problem with fan. Second thing which I have to check, our processor is overheating or not. It's heatsink paste, let me show you. Okay, so like this, heatsink paste is available or not. If not, then put heatsink paste. And if same issue is there with your laptop, the next stage is check its thermal circuit. Many times the resistor in thermal circuit are open, that's why we get such kind of issues. So let me power on. Okay, I have pressed power button. Our display is also available. Okay, so Windows is loading. I will just show you. In some laptops it will just after 10 or 20 seconds it will turn on and suddenly power off due to this issue. And in some laptops it will be happen after 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or half an hour, or 1 hour. So it depends how much major that problem is. This laptop turns on for only 5 minutes. After that 5 minutes it suddenly shut down and sudden power off. Let me check whether fan is spinning. Okay, I think fan is spinning. We have cursor. It's taking too many time, means it's taking long time to boot up. I think we have to check other section, VRM section also, or it may be due to faulty OS, operating system. Because this laptop is turning off after few minutes, means our Windows is loaded and at that time it is suddenly power off. That's why there may be corrupt Windows, so that's why it is taking long time. Okay, so finally it has booted up. Let me refresh. It is little bit slow. Let me check its RAM capacity first. Okay, it has 8 GB RAM installed on and processor is i5 4th generation. Okay, as you can see, only it stayed for nearly, I think, 4 or 5 minutes approx, and it suddenly powered off. So this is the case, and I am just going to open this laptop and check why this issue is causing, and I will tell you what is solution. In this laptop immediately shut down after few minutes. So I have checked everything, and after that I have realized that we have issue with operating system, or it may be due to hard disk, because I tried to change its hard disk. I have changed from another laptop's hard disk I placed onto this, which was having Windows 7. So I booted it, and I think I have used for 1 hour, and it was working fine. And with this hard disk and operating system, it is suddenly off after few minutes. So reason number one, it may have faulty operating system, that's why it's turning off immediately after few minutes. Reason 2, it may be having faulty hard disk, due to which it is shutting immediately. So right now I am going to suggest this customer that just install new operating system and check, and after installing new operating system, if you have same issue, then directly replace his hard disk. Okay, that's the solution for this HP 640. Because whenever I am going to boot from this internal hard disk have Windows 10, and whenever I am booting from this Windows 10, at that time my cooling fan, which is over here, is not working properly. And when I connected a Windows 7 disk and booted up, at that time my fan was running normally and everything was okay. So I think in first case, means after installing Windows, this problem will be resolved. If not, then try to replace hard disk. That is it. Thank you.